This video will show you how to remove the rear left window, door window on a 2017 Ford F250. So we already have the door panel off. I do have a video on that and I will put the link on the bottom. Just pop that out. And we're going to lower the glass into the position we need it. You're going to have to use the switch. Our truck doesn't have power, so we're going to bypass the switch to supply power directly to the motor. So for now we're going to remove the speaker, 7mm bolts, 3 of them. Just unplug the speaker. There's going to be guider clips, so they're just going to hold it in place. Okay, that's the speaker. Alright, so if for some reason you can't get power to the window, this is the way we're bypassing all the switches and basically applying power directly to the window motor. These are the 2 wires. Alright, so we lowered the window all the way down to pull this rubber seal out. In this piece, there's a T20 Torx in the back. We're gonna pull this little piece off right now, the plastic cover. I'm gonna try to avoid taking this piece off at the moment, see if we could do it without it. There's 7mm bolts, 4 of them. Alright, there's gonna be some double-sided tape on the back of it. Okay. Yeah, you can pull it off without removing this trim right here. So this is it right here. So right now we're gonna position the glass to get to the clips holding the glass in the window regulator. Okay, so there you go. Both sides are visible. This one's right here. This one's right there. Out of angle. Helps if you have 2 people on this one. I mean, it's doable by yourself if you know what you're doing. So these are going to be the clips locking it in place, and I'll show you the clips right now. So these tabs right here, that right there in the middle, it's kind of hard to focus onto it. Basically that tab right there. So the way he did was just pulling this back and it unlocked it and lifting up the glass on each side. That way it removes, doesn't pop back in.